So I read on some Facebook groups that the latch for my 2000 for the Matrix, this is a 2008 model. The latch, the spring actually doesn't work very well. So as you can see, it's not really returning back to its position, and this causes the whole hood to fly up when you're driving on the highway. So I decided I would replace it. So this is the part number for it. Alright, and this is the latch. As you can see, it's a lot better, a lot more springy. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. See, a lot better. So I'm going to replace it. So I need a 10 millimeter socket. Alright, remove 3 bolts. 1, 2, and there's one under here. There's a plastic guard that actually is broken on both ends now. I have to figure out how to get this off, and then I should get access to the nut. So I'll be right back. So there's a clip here that I need to squeeze. I'll use a needle nose pliers right where I'm pointing. See if I can get in closer. See it right there where my thumb is. So you gotta squeeze that on both sides, and I think that will release it. And there it is. Those are the clips, one on either side. Alright, so it should be pretty simple now. Just take these off and replace it with the other one, and hopefully there shouldn't be any alignment issues. Alright, so there we go. So these came off, and the plastic guard came off first, which was this, and then these came off, and then you need to pull this cable out, and there's a ball at the end of it. So you need to pull this out first, then get the ball out of the inside, and then you have to try to get it onto the other one, to the new one. Put the ball on first, and then pull it until it slips into the groove here. And I think that's it. Gonna test it out and see how it works. A lot more responsive. Before I put the plastic guard on over there, I'm just gonna make sure it closes before I put that on, because it's a little pain in the butt to take it off. Perfect. Not going anywhere. So that's it. Any questions, let me know. Oh, I think I paid about $60. Go to parts.toyota.com and enter the VIN number of your vehicle and type the part that you're looking for. I think I looked for hood latch and it came up.